This is Irina with Pasadena Views, and I am here with Ernest Tepman on the right and Artin Babayan on the left. And they are one of my preferred lenders, previously known as the OCD Group. And today we've met because there have been some exciting news. And Ernest, tell me a little bit about what you're doing. You are now a direct lender?
That is exactly right. Now it's a brand new branch of an existing, a very successful mortgage bank, which is headquartered locally in Irvine, and we're opening a new branch in Glendale. We've been in lending business for quite a while. Now we're going to be going back to the banker model, which the advantages to consumers is, of course, speed, pricing, and personal customer service.
That's great. And when you're talking about speed, I know this is sort of a little coup for us, but you guys will be offering a 15-day close. Is that true?
That is actually very true.
And hold on, before you say anything, what does that mean, 15 days? Is it like from the point of contact, like if we have a full contract and we send you a contract and say we open escrow today?
Almost. Oh. Basically what it means is from the moment that I have a full package. What it means is I have all the paperwork that require your purchase agreement, escrow information, as well as me having everything I need to have from the borrower to put the file together. That starts my clock, and 15 days later, you'll be closed.
That's cool. So Artin, I know you get a lot of my clients contacting you, talking about the paperwork that's needed. Mm-hmm. So tell us why it's so important to get pre-approved before we get to that first day of escrow.
If you're not pre-approved, you're pretty much wasting your time. When you're pre-approved, you know you can get a loan, and you know when you write an offer and let's say it gets accepted, when you write that offer, you're going to be putting an escrow deposit into play. And if you can't get a loan, there's a loan contingency in place, but you're pretty much wasting your time, you're wasting the seller's time. If you don't know what kind of financing you can get and you're not buying this property all cash, and you can't get the financing, you're not going to be able to close.
And the most important thing right now, especially in this lending environment, we're seeing a lot of conditions. So sometimes, or actually most of the time, what you're able to do is satisfy those conditions before we actually write that offer. And we know exactly what's to be expected, right?
Exactly. If there are issues, which if you don't fit into a small box that the banks have created, there will be issues. You have to address those upfront before you get into escrow. It'll save you many sleepless nights by addressing these problems upfront.
Cool. So what are the benefits, again, of working with a direct lender?
Well, the benefits of a direct lender is, of course, control first and foremost. The person who is going to make the credit decision on your file actually works for the very same bank as us. Where in case of the broker, they're almost on opposite sides of a team. Broker tries to put together a file, give it to the bank, and bank is trying to find a reason to kill it. In our case, we all work for the same company, which is in business of doing loans. So there is certain trust, relationship, and access, which results in speed and much less sleepless nights for you.
Cool. Well, thanks so much, and best of luck, guys.
Thank you.
I'll be sending you clients.
Thank you.